Hello everyone, welcome to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest update across South Sudan and beyond. Today we bring you a special report on what is happening in South Sudan, especially in Unity State, Bentiu IDP camp and across the country. This is not a report to support any side. This is not propaganda. This is about human life, truth, and the future of South Sudan. Well, what we are seeing today is very painful. Civilians living in fear, displaced people trapped in camp, army group fighting near innocent families, corruption inside government offices, and political leaders divided, and citizens are paying the price. Before we move on, please help the channel by subscribing, turn on the notification bell, so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. Let us start our report with what happened in Bentiu IDP camp. Let us begin in Bentiu, Unity State. Bentiu IDP camp was once a United Nations protection of civilian site. It was a place where families escaped war, hunger, and killing. Although the camp was handed to the government in year 2020, many people still believe it should remain neutral and safe. But on Sunday night, fighting broke out inside the camp, the IDP camp in Bentiu. According to report, clash happened between government forces SSPDF and opposition element from Joint Police Forces SPLA-IO. According to the report, gunfire was heard, fear spread quickly, civilians ran for safety. Later, opposition fighters SPLA-IO were pushed out of the camp area. Some of them high among civilians because they were unarmed. Then came the most shocking incident. On Tuesday afternoon, three unarmed SPLA-IO officers, three soldiers from SPLA-IO officer were arrested inside the camp. They were not carrying any guns. One of them was identified as Manger Shap. These men had no weapon. They were not fighting. They were only trying to survive. While they were being walked toward Rupkona town, one of them was shot and killed by a government soldier. This happened in daylight. This death has raised serious questions. Why were unarmed people arrested inside the civilian camp? Why was deadly force used? And where was protection for civilians? For that reason, SPLA-IO accused the United Nations. After this killing, the SPLA-IO leadership spoke out strongly. The Sector 2 commander, General Peter Rothschild, confirmed the incident. But his anger was not only toward the government forces. He accused the United Nations mission in South Sudan, UNIMISS, of failing its duty. According to him, UNIMISS knew these officers were inside the camp. UNIMISS allowed government soldiers to arrest them, and UNIMISS did not stop the killing. He said this clearly. These officers were unarmed. They were inside the camp after fighting had stopped. UNIMISS allowed their arrest in full view of the mission. This is a failure to protect civilian and non-combatant. He warned that allowing soldiers to arrest people inside IDP camp will increase fear, lead to revenge attack, and destroy trust in the United Nations. The SPLA-IO called for immediate withdrawal of government forces from the IDP camp, UNMISS to take back full security control and protection for all civilians, regardless of politics or tribe. They say the camp is no longer safe if soldiers can enter freely and arrest people based on suspicion. Later, Listen to the UNIMISS response based on this. The United Nations dare not stay silent. UNIMISS spokesperson Priyanka Chaudhuri responded to the accusations. She said the United Nations is engaging political and security leaders, working to stop more violence and trying to calm tensions. She reminded the public that the primary responsibility to protect civilians lies with the South Sudanese government. However, she confirmed that UNIMISS has increased patrol. Peacekeepers are now around and inside the Bentiu camp, and their goal is to reassure frightened civilians. She also rejected claim that UNIMISS support one side, and she said UNIMISS is an impartial mission working under its mandate. The United Nations also corrected report about the former MSF medical site, saying the structure no longer exists. It is not being used by political leaders. Still, many people on the ground remain afraid. Word alone cannot stop bullets, you know. Let's move on. Why they're fighting in Unity State? The Bentiu incident is not isolated. Unity State is now one of the most dangerous areas in South Sudan. Fresh fighting has been reported in Kaljak, areas near the Sudan border, and Jonglei State. Government forces and opposition group are clashing. The strategic tone have changed. And why is this happening? Because the 2018 peace agreement is failing. Joint security arrangements have collapsed, and opposition leader, First Vice President Dr. Machar, is under detention in Juba. When political solutions fail, guns speak, and civilians suffer first. Let's move on. Let's look at the corruption in immigration office in South Sudan. Let us now turn to another serious issue, corruption. According to the report, the Director General of Immigration, Major General Elia Costa, shocked the nation with his statement. General Elia Costa revealed that some immigration officers take bribe. Amount range from $100 to $200 in exchange for passport, nationality, papers, and marriage certificates. He spoke strongly and emotionally. According to Elia, when you sell our document for money, you are selling the nation. This corruption means foreigners get document illegally. Citizens wait longer. National security is weakened. He warned it officer clearly. Rank will not protect anyone. Corruption will lead to punishment and prosecution. But many citizens say this problem has existed for years. Low salaries, weak system, and poor accountability have allowed corruption to grow. When document lost value, citizenship lost its meaning. Let's move on. Is returning toward the answer in South Sudan? Now we address a very sensitive issue. There are voices calling for war. There are speeches on social media. There are threats. There are war songs. This has deeply worried many South Sudanese. One strong opinion said, returning to war is not good for the country. The argument is simple. President Salva Kiir Mayardit has said it does not want war. Dr. Machar has also said no return to war. So who is pushing people toward violence? Some accuse Oyed Nathaniel, acting as SPLMIO chairman, of promoting war. And others are accusing SSPDF, led by Dr. Paul Nang, in attacking SPLIO territory. They say his language is tribal, his message are emotional, his strategy ignore the suffering of civilians. Others argue something different. They say the government continue to attack Nuer civilians. SSPDF forces target community based on politics and tribe. People have the right to protect themselves. This is where the pain lies. How do civilians remain peaceful while they are being killed? How can people trust peace when troops enter their areas? How can unity exist when one side benefits from violence? Many South Sudanese now live in IDP camp as refugees in other countries and in fear of being targeted. Peace cannot exist without justice. Peace cannot be demanded while civilians are attacked. Let us be clear, Nuer or Dinka, SPLIO or SSPDF, government supporter or opposition, war kill children, mothers, elders, innocent people. Those who call for war often live in Juba, live abroad, sleep safely, do not bury the dead. But ordinary people pay the price. South Sudan has lost too much already. But who to blame? Many people are saying President Salva Kiir Mayardit is behind every suffering of South Sudanese. And he's the one who is in control. He controlled the peace, he controlled the war. If President Salva Kiir Mayardit wants South Sudan to have a long-lasting peace, he can do it in no time. But he refused to do it. In conclusion, as we conclude this special report, one message is clear. South Sudan does not need more war. South Sudan needs truth, justice, and humanity. So we call on the government to stop targeting civilian, army group to protect innocent life, UNIMISS to act strongly and fairly, leader to choose dialogue over bloodshed, power built on dead bodies will never last. If leadership means killing your own people, then leadership has failed. The country belongs to all the South Sudanese. Protect life before politics. Thank you for watching Changfied News. If you believe in peace, share this video. If you believe in humanity, speak out. Condemn the attack, the killing of innocent, the targeting of civilian based on where they come from. Biya Kamal ka Changfied YouTube channel. Tukon galera ban lingwazme. Lere to karikin kono tore wika South Sudan. Akan kono ni ami jira mjidit gwasme ka Changfied YouTube channel. Gorjeno jinder channel did support, did subscribed. Channel report me to ka kui Bentiu, Unity State. Bentiu IDP camp agwas meganka natin a United Nations protection site. Magankan civilianatin ko shaka binak. Jen agwad megwa ko de natin kontin chukur ka diach ke chaju jokur. Nere kon nek boske nere kon nakade kan wutin ko chirek rande lo jektin. But kerwan kindangro jandangro ka jaw mishalat awani ka gwase dan chajen UNIMISS Bentiu UNIMISS charge kam kume government la kume SSPD kume Kiir Mayardit kene kume Dr. Machar jen chala do nene obiga let kel ngai kondiale UNIMISS neutral ka saf mi chutin ta amade jinakten de no chi chiang chro de ger ka jodan chalat ke Sunday ka war chete ka kor mi chitwo kor mo twog inside the camp kam dini SPLIO kene dini SSPDF ala joint police force dane shalat kam bon dangro to ame chwa kaling kan gwatmo chu kuryo twok to civilian churin bar wonaren to gwadn kon dong der andi tigre der gwatin within inside the camp aka kore chwa SPLIO chwa ka wujre re camp ka chu ko rodian wo ko nyenare civilian chigan logo no bo liam di betwok and gwadmo chunere kontin la civilian tin kontel meshu chwayo bain pinyakan you know take a tanji SPLIO officer teach dot re kemka kene de tel match kene te just talk on rodian ko chikorche twop aka kore chikume SPLIO mechi jien ano chika we ko loko no bananyi nge civilian but ne do ti la do din charo tong wadmo ano chikume SSPDF shuka jibere kemka michi bere kemka mo you can wun michala manger chap chu kane yen kane kokin ma mer shap wajen tele man mujel ke ja no kane ko ken jen te mai tele man mujel je kos ngai kone mitika ITP camp tirande te ga matin kane tel match ka kor budget ko gon gwatamo bar meje tuok ci government force government soldier ci ken were camp ka shwa ma ngir shap chwa jo kep kane ko ken ka chang dara bor ka jo mishalat an gwasamo chwa nang lo nang aje dor chwal ke ru kona town ka kore chwaram kel chwa jo na ka gwasamo yo government soldier chukaram kel yukana na ka jo chalat china ko tije no ne angu munok UNIMISS wo bikana jako ba ka kebone ka kaneten kona te kalwang eram chore lwake de kana gang de kan te de kana gang especially the content dong me de chiro de chore jo dong de bare jo mo de ma de ritu miti ka mach anyok chikanete mo titte ka match chikande allow ko bika enter into the camp IDP camp no mo cha de to so na mo cha je loko kuma SPLIO ko chikan SSPDF chikan ka allow ko buka wo karop ji camp wo kan ji SPLIO kana captain ne la civilian te tel match so chika teje no na a UNMISS ni mo kana jago ba kan ko kap na nutit kadien ka chwa na chwa ko nak kajen gwasa mo gwan maganga na tin we mean that and UNIMISS chi safe anymore kan it kontila civilian ko mi chadun look de jo kap de jinak so na mo chikala do chi chong ke shi mo gwa so ka jo men chalat gwasa me chu kuma SPLIO chicken United Nation chicken accuse ano chicken ne ko chicken ga jago ba kan SPLIO leadership chicken condemn Ramkel Mlakwar ka sector 2 commander General Peter Rothschild ya confirm no chirega meche to but gaga je kan lare je kuma kirim yadi chaga ka ji United Nation mission re ka South Sudan no chicken due to DN ki la din dan de kan la chicken bai aka jo chalat gwasme ajana ji UNIMISS ngai kana gwano kan SPLIO officer tikare kemka kachu UNIMISS chu kan SSPDF chu kan kala ko buga ore kem ko na kan ga yantin ka kan di UNIMISS kan ta na kana kan kana kapchong chu kana kan jago ba kan so na mo kan shi mu gwa kan kan de ne tono de ne SPLIO shi kan ne da ta kama jel ka lora ba tigre kem ka ka ci kurcha chatok so china da ka ka anyo ki UNIMISS ci kana jago ba ka yen agwi kana kana mishi UNIMISS kana jikana gang which mean that the UNIMISS tel chap jikan UNIMISS jogo no mishi na mo there we ne ko dong de ne kon today kem kwa dong de kan revenge attack de kan lat ke de kan rek de kan lat ko jikana ngaje no ci UN ci tel chap ko de kana de kan gang so ci JSPLIO ci ka ci dan wona ne go ne no ba SSPDF menteka IDP camp bika withdraw buga rodin woika camp kab UNIMISS be full responsibility be jakan security ke le be kana control kab kan civilian be kan ka gang kab kan gang a chang ram mommi chunkel ke kir ram chunkel ke kir kan dia gor kan protection ka jo ran chikana lat so na me ami chala kan ka jo chala da me ramkel mlakwar ke SPLIO che je UNIMISS chikan jo rodin chikana nyok chika respond kan kabet kan UNIMISS spokesperson Priyanka Chaudhuri che respond no nena kamana chalat ki goncha gon kaka ajena UNIMISS tele kwich muku kana support tele leader muku kana support ladian o bikan violent bikan stop kana o bukur batok nyala dan tigatin che chega me charot chala do nena jena primary responsibility kane or to protect civilian or bene civilian bene ka gang kana wo de South Sudan ke liu ba South Sudan game de kan civilian de kan ga gang jen ta dan chalat kije yala do ne na right now chine UNIMISS chine gang ne to jena UNIMISS has increased patrol chade chaje lat ka kan na ka dial ko bikan ka gang ko shi JSPLIO shi jo kana lat kana peacekeeper right now wa chicken kaka ka Bentiu camp ke liu chicken soron ko bikan an ner ko la civilian te ci korga je ga shenge dan ba dwala idwal ga kire ga dan citok bikan nyoko muku kana kam kana entam UNIMISS bika na bikan ga gang akor ga mi shi kan ne ti jigan ka lawo wo kan ka kem abigan ab kan ka kep ko bikan ko na kan UNIMISS tele rame ku kan support kala diena kan joje ko biga civilian bikan ka gang kan beneti di albune ga aleka kan tele sai mu kunne putak bad benei major benei kan so na me mi chala da kan ngai kon di alkor kon lat ko dina tama rai wichin winami and peace chajiak ke mal chabat wana ka corruption ni to ka immigration office rai wiki juba ka South Sudan wada dan la passport ni ki birth certificate la kam garatin tiga jo machala director general of immigration major general Elia Costa tiga jo machala gwasme chala do ne take some officers kene reten wana mo to let ki immigration office de la moye ka yo ki kwa ka donc la ran mo ka yo to kor la $100 we ka $200 ko baran be mo ka passport ka be nationality paper be jek ka be marriage certificate be jek kane de to wa ci South Sudanese gwa mi mo la mo ka yo ne ko la foreigner ba ka mo ka yo in exchange of giving them passport ka national paper ka chane ko ndila South Sudanese cha ka lok rana we ka immigration office betene ka jogne tel mo kam ka ji ko gor ka yo ka ji ci kana jogo no ne na abi cha to ko no ko yen document ni nying South Sudan ko en ka kwa ka yo nyo de jeno ko yen witra when you sell our document for money you are selling the nation ci kan jo mo ji kan lat ajanna me corruption ano benere ko ndila foreigner bika document bika ka jeki legally ka do mu ci odalot kana me shi magwa ne da to kana chai bugang a can jira mata ka gor ke ta ka rang ke tika position midit kace corruption ci jalat cha jibi gwet pin bang baji del kap baji del punish baji persecute kare ga dan shilat kon corruption lawe ko bana ba kanak but man cha ala da ne ko la civilian jene wachi jan chang ne amano bu corruption ba george wa ka runtung wan te corruption teten jan latka nere kontin ci chaji which kane content top ko yo ko mo ka passport ni je ga document ni wal nere kontin la jiwu la citizen ni pen ga ket tin konde kan ga je ket ko right now chang yo kwa ga pe yo tot low salaries anyok system me week ke to pour accountability bote ten lo changi mi je ci lat bo chaji ti jira mo kan na me shi magwa mi je shi ya ci la do na she corruption che dit ajo mu chalat ne dial ne ngwan che ka chokolon ka roi dan chalat ke je ano she corruption che je expose wana ka jo mu chalat gwaseme ka jo do diena me chana tanelo yet chaja gwanyen ojen e ramadan shol kor ka cha kirim yadi bo cha gwanyen ojen bo je ramadan shol korba wona ka kware ko ken ka char mu chalat gwaseme wa president self ke me yadi ti chalat no gorje no de malde tin but president self came yadi de gente ke troop SSPDF men ko la jaga KSPLIO territory wada danen tiji SPLIO tiketin kadin wer civilian tiketin katiji ko tura tiketin ba kenen ne ten wana mo la bukan ga dai kan kana ka ju kana zano yen chwaro dun lo ke chwaro gang a shi kana tanelu yet kana gwan kana tanelu yet jo chalat ke social media cholo korno korbetin ban ngai ki jene tin wan o yana tanil ajena tin SPL mayo chairman jira madanen la ne la ka maka kana kake jen jaraje George anu en kuma kirm yadit ne ko target kane ko lan wore kana ji SPL ayo ko na ko ka target based on the background mo chala do na me chechong daga ma chaten ya ka detention da wiki jupa arama mo chi kurche je gur ban ngode besnike tintine ga tin la SPLIO la ka make kuma SSPDF kuma SSPDF yani shwaro gang neme te justice miatin watele justice ka kujamo wana tanelo yete ga chonko dare jalar no gang rodun ko government point ku continue ku ne ko lan civilian ku kanak ka ku ne ko la SPLIO ku kanak bone goda dam tiketin kanaga ji ne kon la ji kotoria ne kon tin cha kuma de charge no. So SSPDF force muku kan community ku kan target based on where they come from Then I dig a bit, a wachi chong on money. While people have the right to protect themselves, ko de Korean gang, ka Jordan chalat. Kill me had it chalad no nene. Jinam nan take a lonky take a control. The kui mal, ka take a control, ka kui core. Mini nare wika South Sudan, agenda capchong, mubbe mal, agenda mal de genongo. Jo chalat waram kel bone, Dr. Paul Nang, Ramadan and Kulela, Ship of Defense Force, what take Ted Bokalia did at Walker. Ko Jenla order Tobo, and we are Marge, as will your territory. We are Nakaka ki nyenye keke. Wine will be malben, wa kill me yadi de gentike kill. Yaram dan we mal be no, but Michia go to be malben, wa would but a daglan shit come to walk on tama. Is the only person who could control and prison self became a yadit. Muguru gen wala will be malben, de malderaben. Ko Jaram dan take a control. Muguru gen of wood, but Dr. Medek and Tama, Jaram dan take a key bonnet. And a me to tin ke mga kon and go le roda. Chira mga kon diale, ray wike South Sudan, kore me tuoga, ka daganating one. Bani ngaji no nene, kore chala do chi kam nwari kana jang, ka chi kam SPLA IO kana SSPDF, ka chi kam government supporter kana netin la SPLA IO tin kwa support, nere kone shuch, waka gat, ka men, kaniti dit, kana kone jiga beje long. Kana din kondin dong, Guru jeno de na to kursi an kanede kon tere wiki juba kanede kon interare ko ken tele mi jeng mi jekena to ke redule ken cham kon to go mesken computer go so tele mi ladi kaka so na me ajen report an de kon link ami jiram jidit gwas me ka Changfied YouTube channel goro jin bi channel which support balere ko kedin be ka kor gwasen be bana ka linkel an bi ataka mal bye bye.